Feeding uncoiler is used to keep the steel coil standing and uncoiling to ensure stable operation. With automated controls and a max speed of 1530 unmanned, RC Purlin machine ensures consistent quality and boosts productivity. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. The roll forming machine is designed as high quality and with fly non-stop cutting. For solar panel support, PV support, HEP structures, and warehouses. Ideal for manufacturers seeking reliable and high-performance roll forming solutions. Thank you customers for your trust. Steelma always give you proper solution.